How much do you know about penguins? Do you picture penguins as adorable creatures only live in Antarctic? What do you think about the food source of penguins? Let us explore the most commonly asked and also confusing penguin-related questions in this video. Where do the penguins live? Penguins inhabit in practically all the continents of the Southern Hemisphere. Magellanic penguins live in South America. Africa penguins live in South Africa. Yellow-eyed penguins live in Australia and New Zealand. King penguins live in Antarctica, and Galapagos penguins live in several islands such as Galapagos Islands. They inhabit so-called desert-like environment, including dry areas covered with snow and rocks, as long as the waters surrounding those places are living, which means that there are high productivities. As someone might consider, are penguins also found in Arctic? The answer is no. The only penguins that we could find in Northern Hemisphere are Galapagos penguins that live on Isabella Island, an island that spans the equator. What do penguins eat then? For penguins' population, everyone is looking for food in the sea, so their food is aquatic. Penguins are carnivorous animals, and their usual diet consists of fish, squid, and krill. Those living in the coldest regions, such as Antarctica, have greater access to fish and squid during summertime due to the longer duration of sunlight. But they consume almost exclusively krill in dark wintertime. Those living in the temperate regions have generally moderate and invariant access to fish, squid, and krill in all 4 seasons. How long do penguins live? It depends on the species, but their life expectancy are around 15 to 20 years. In captivity, they can live up to 30 years or more. Can penguins breathe underneath water? Penguins cannot breathe underwater, though they are able to hold their breath for a long time. Their breath holding time is directly proportional to their body size. Magellanic penguins can rarely hold their breath for over 3 minutes, but emperor penguins can easily hold their breath for about 20 minutes. Penguins will often do this to get a gulp of air before diving back down for fish. They also use their ability to leap out of the water to get from the ocean onto land, if there are cliffs or ice floes to deal with. Do penguins have any teeth? No, they do not have teeth, and therefore they do not nibble on their food. However, they do have dentical structures in the tongue and throat, like thorns, which prevent their food from slipping and escaping from their mouths. The most representative gesture of penguins is their water walking. Do you want to know more? Let us explore the question, why do penguins walk awkwardly? Penguins are famous for their clumsy and curious walking, which is not like any other birds in the world. Although they have long legs, their knees are covered with skin. When they walk, it is like women walking in long tight skirts, so their steps are very short. Some species can also move by small jumps. And why do penguins eating snow as we usually see in videos? Only the Antarctic penguins do that. The reason? Snow is actually the source of fresh water, and eating snow is like drinking fresh water directly. so that they do not need to drink salty seawater and filter through their kidneys, which is a waste of energy. Is there anything more about penguins that is not answered and you want to learn? You can read this book called Penguins, Natural History and Conservation for more penguins-related questions to be answered.